Hey everyone, Chase here with Rocky Mountain UTV MC, giving you a closer look at the Pivot Folding Mirror kit from Tusk with the low profile roll cage clamps. All right, everyone, thank you for checking in. So, side view mirrors, for us, must-have accessory on our side-by-sides. You gotta know what's going on behind you if you're with a group of people. Awesome for when it comes to backing up your side-by-side as well. And with these pivoting folding mirrors from Tusk, these are awesome. You have a cast aluminum housing, makes these things super strong, anti-shatter convex mirror that is adjustable to fine-tune it to get exactly how you want it. But what's great about these mirrors is the breakaway design. So you have a notch breakaway here, which makes it really easy to adjust these in and out to get these exactly where you want it. But if you're out there maybe doing some trail riding and you smack a tree branch or something, these things will break away and fold in, and then you can just push them right back out to where they were, so you don't have to worry about damaging these in those types of situations. Or maybe you're in an enclosed trailer, you need to fold the mirrors in to get as tight as possible. So breakaway mirrors, awesome design. These things are built super tough. What's nice too is that there are two options for mounting with this mirror. There's two kits. There's one with the A-pillar mirror mounts, which are a great option. And then there's also the low profile clamps that we have on this X3. This is gonna work with windshield, super low profile clamp made from high quality aluminum. It's got a black powder coated finish. Mount really easily, and then you just literally screw the mirror onto it and you're ready to rock and roll. So if you've been looking for a great set of side view mirrors that are built super strong, that are breakaway, this would be a really good option. Now it's important when you're picking yours up, if you're doing the low profile mount kit, that you enter the year, make, and model, because every roll cage is going to be a different diameter, and these clamps are built for specific roll cage diameters. So just make sure you use the machine finder when you're picking yours up, and you're going to be good to go. If you do have questions or comments, we'd like to get those answered for you, so make sure to leave those below. To grab yours today, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Orders over $75 ship free. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.